Mine has got to be the bullpen for sure, hands down. The battle you're trying to win is internal temperature, and it is the only tool that can help me determine the internal temperature of the meat. So hands down has got to be the bullpen thermometer. A close second are gloves, because I like to use my hands a lot, and I like washing my hands, but I don't necessarily like washing my hands 20 times a day. So, black plastic gloves are a close second behind that thermometer. And cooking mat. I love, cooking mats. I use it every day.
So for me, it's the size of the hopper. Because, you got to go big or go home. So for me, it's that 40-pound hopper. To not have to refill your hopper in the middle of a cook.
Yeah.